Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just starting with filling the bathtub, and I'm going to add some cleaning vinegar and just use some baking powder when I begin to go ahead and scrub the pack and play. And I'm so excited to see the end result. I always love looking at the before and after to see how things turn out. After all that scrubbing, I'm just gonna add in some Dawn dish soap, and I'm not quite sure the reasoning behind it, but and then I am just going to go ahead and let this soak overnight. I'm just going to do a quick scrub to loosen up that dirt and then drain the water and go ahead and scrub them each again, but I'm going to start with the mattress pad. Wasn't gonna show my face because I have day-old makeup on, but honestly, that's mom life. I have been scrubbing just the bed part of the pack and play for probably an hour. I'm not quite sure what I got myself into, but whew, it's a lot of work. So I think I got all of the dirt scrubbed out, and now I am just going to soak it again in some hot water and cleaning vinegar, and then I'm gonna do the other part after. So I let it soak for about an hour, and then here I'm just going to drain all of the excess water out. So this is the moment of realization where I'm smelling the wood and realize that the mattress pad has wood in it, and then everything just clicks. But you can also see here how it's very, very flimsy because it's so saturated. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get as much water out as possible, and hope that I did not just completely ruin it. Honestly, at this point, I'm just so ready to be done. I'm so bummed about this whole thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse everything off of here and go ahead and soak this as well. I'm trying to save on water, so I just kind of like filled the tub maybe halfway. I'm gonna let this soak, and then I'm gonna come in and I'll probably about an hour, flip it and let it soak again. Come to find out, that water was not dirty. What had happened is from soaking this, it has wood inside, and after it had got saturated, that's what had started to come into the water. It is broken in a couple of spots, right there. Nope, that must be the other side. And right there. It's still going to be able to be used because I put a mattress on top of it. And yes, full disclaimer, I am well aware that it says to not add a mattress, but we are crunchy momming over here. And all right, guys, so I want to just go ahead and do a quick recap of my own personal experience with washing the Pack and Play. And I have to just first start off with saying, please do not submerge the bed piece into water. It actually has wood inside of it, and you can ruin it. It will not dry out. My personally broke into a couple of pieces. I have been able to salvage it, but my next tip would probably have to say wait until summer to do this if you live in, you know, cooler climate. It was a lot of scrubbing, a lot of trying to figure out how to wash it in my small bathtub, figuring out how that it was going to dry in a fast manner so that it wasn't going to smell. So if I were to ever do this again, I would probably wait to do it in the summer, wash it outside with the hose, and then obviously have the sun air dry it. And to be honest with you, why do companies even make the Pack and Plays so that they're this difficult to wash? Like, babies throw up, babies have accidents, and you know, they need to be cleaned on a regular basis. And it's very difficult to do so. And despite me having like an older model, they're still pretty much made the same way today. That being said, I hope you learned a few tips from me on what not to do when you wash your own Pack and Play. And I hope that you liked today's video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to see my upcoming videos. Thank you.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't